They say I be ghosting, I know it, 'cause I be on the go, bitch, I'm coasting. Running up a bag just to blow it, then get it right back, that's the motive. But when I'm back in town, it's a movie. Turn on with my niggas, yeah, the whole
YouTube, it's your girl Kelly K with 3 Z's, and that's Kels to be exact, and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I mostly focus on lifestyle, fashion, and vlogging. So if you're interested in that, please make sure to subscribe on your way in. Turn the notifications bell on so you guys can know when I drop that hot fire. And please don't forget to like and comment below. I will be showing you guys products that my friend recently purchased for me from Nordstrom.com, which is crazy because I didn't even know that Nordstrom sold MAC makeup, and this was my first time actually buying MAC in about 6 years. As some of you guys already know, if you've been following my channel, I decided to purchase makeup after 6 years of having no makeup at all. Pause. Make sure you go down below and check out my Ulta Beauty haul. Check it out, guys. So with the products that I picked off from Nordstrom, you guys will see majority of them are like shimmers, golds, neutrals, really beautiful shimmery earth tones. So I'm so excited to show you guys today the products that I have. And if you're interested, please make sure you stick around and subscribe. So before I actually start showing you guys the products, I just want to say a disclaimer. I cannot stand Atlanta weather. I slayed my hair this morning, guys. I'm talking about edge control. I curled it up, and as soon as I drove out my apartment, it started thunderstorming, like thunderstorming. And you know the type of job that I do, I'm constantly in and out the car. Stop. If you don't know my hustle, make sure you guys check the link below. Make sure you check out my ship videos and my Uber Eats videos below so you know how to girl hustle. So I really hated that my hair got wet and now it looks like this. So that's the only disclaimer I'm gonna say, honestly. But let's get back to these products. So one thing I would say, I was expecting the box to look like a little bit more fancier, I'm not gonna lie to you, but this is how the box came. Plain brown box in the mail. See, even the inside of the box is plain. It just looked like Nordstrom took a bunch of products, threw it in here, and said, here you go, sis. So this is one of the free products that Nordstrom sent me with my purchase. Soy face cleaner. Honestly, I saw it and I was like, I don't really put a lot of stuff on my face, so I was interested in trying something to keep my face clean and moisturized. It's really a small package. This is probably gonna be like 2 uses and it's gonna be finished. Comment below if you have used this. It looked like it smelled good. So this is cute. Thanks Nordstrom for this free sample. Okay guys, so the next product is this MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Broom Fixiant. I don't know what the hell this is. I'm not gonna lie to you. I am definitely gonna look this up on YouTube to figure out how to use this before I put this on my face. I thought this was eyelid primer because I have an eyelid primer from NYX and it looks just like this. So when I selected on the website, I could have sworn it was an eyelid primer. And then when it got here, it says Strobe Cream Hydrant Luminix. I don't even know what this is used for. So this is another one that I have to go look up on YouTube to figure out how to use. Let's see what it come out. Maybe it come out like creamy. It's like really shiny on my skin. Like really like, ooh, this is cute. Do you guys see that? It's like really shiny, really holographic. It's like shimmery. I don't know what this is, guys. And it smells like Vaseline lotion. But whatever this is, oh yes, sis, I definitely gotta use it. Look, I have my skin all shiny and stuff. This is cute. So another free sample that they did send to me was this free sample of Joy Dior, which is this really little bottle, which I'm probably gonna get like maybe, guys, 5 sprays out of it and the bottle's gonna be out. But I thought it was really cute for a free sample. And this is how the inside look. You guys, if you guys know Christian Dior, I love Christian Dior and I love the comeback that they got. But J'adore Dior always has been a very popular perfume, and I already know this is gonna smell good, so this will be my first time spraying it, so let's see what it smells out. Oh no, y'all, it's empty. Hold on, Nordstrom. I was gonna say, I know they ain't send me no empty perfume, but it's so little bit. It's like halfway full. What? Yo, I'm not even trying to be extra. I didn't even know this smelled like this. Oh my God, that's why they give you such a small sample. They hit you with an amazing smell and then this little ass bottle for you to go buy the other bottle. But yo, This is how the inside of the book looks. So you have all type of races, all type of women, a black girl, Asian girl, you see right here. And then it gives you different sample based off your skin complexion. Now, the thing I don't like about this is honestly, y'all, it looked like one face. It looked like I can do one full face of makeup with this and it'll be done with. And then on top of that, I would more than likely have to mix these two colors because this is not my color and this is not my color. So I have to mix these two colors to probably get the color closest to my skin complexion. But this was really cute to be free. So this is the MAC gift that came. All it really is a MAC bag. It's really cheap, y'all. Look at this. Super cheap. It feel like cheap plastic, like worse than plastic bag, but it was a free gift. I guess this is a makeup bag, which is great because I love makeup bags. I do travel a lot. Stop what you're doing. Please make sure, go down below and check out my vlogs, my Miami vlog, my Louisiana vlog, and my part 2 Miami vlog. Make sure you check it out. So this will come in handy. I guess I could put like my lip glosses in here or my face products when I'm traveling. So this is cute. For it to be free, I ain't gonna hate. It's kind of cheap, but it's cute. Okay guys, so now we're moving on to eyes. I did not get a lot of eye products. I just basically got 2 eyeshadows and some lashes. So the first thing I bought was a pair of lashes. I love lashes. I haven't even gotten a chance to actually open these lashes to see what they feel and look like because honestly, I hate cheap lashes. I hate cheap feeling lashes. Oh, it feels really nice. It doesn't feel like rubber band and cheap. These are super cute, guys. So moving right along, I think this is the favorite product that I have in here. I love rose gold. So y'all, when I saw this packaging, I was so in love. Look how it hits the light. Look how that shines. What? Okay, girl, come on through. Look. Ooh, ooh, look how you shine through the package. So this is how it looks out of the package. Look at that. It's still shimmering. Ugh, I just love this. So here are some of the colors that I did choose. I love these colors, guys. Look at this. Look at the shining. Look at the shine. You guys cannot tell me this is not beautiful. This one, and this one. And look how it illuminates. Look at the pigmentation. And this is literally just a little bit, guys. It's so shiny. It's so glittery. I cannot wait to wear this on my face. Like, what? Look at that. Oh, wow. Look at it shines. It shines so good on the skin. Moving right along, I decided for the first time ever to purchase myself a liquid eyeshadow. It's rose gold, and actually, the color is actually called Blinking Brilliant. Blinking Brilliant. Like I told you guys before, English was not my first language, so bear with my accent. So this is how it looks out of the package. It's cute. Look at that. Ooh, what? Look at the shine. I cannot wait to put this on my eyes, guys. Okay, guys, so here's the pigmentation of it. It's right here. Beautiful color. I love, love, love how it shines. My eyes are going to be popping, honey. Look, so cute. It's really shiny. I like that. Look at that. Nice. Ooh. That's pretty much all the products that I choose as far as eyes. And now we're gonna move on to lips. So, I love my lip gloss popping. As you guys can see, I have some nice lips. So I love lip gloss. I just love things that complement my lips. I love my lips. I love my smile. I just love everything about my face. So this is the first one I got from Victoria's Secret. It's called Rose Gold. Wow, it's called Rose Gold. Disclaimer, rose gold is my favorite color. You guys already know that. Here's the second color. It's called Pinky. I love this one. And then the third color I actually picked out was called Peekaboo. Now, the thing about this color, Peekaboo, perfect name for it. Put it on and I was looking in the mirror and I couldn't really see like the color or nothing. It looked like they just shine my lips up. See, this is the Peekaboo on my skin. And like I said, you don't see nothing. Good name for it, Peekaboo, because I don't see you. Like, look at it. It look like clear lip gloss on my lips. It smells really good though. It smells really sweet. It smells like peaches or something like that. But for the most part, I actually like it. Look at that. Okay, sis. So moving right along, we're gonna move now to the MAC lipsticks now. One of the free products that I did get from MAC for the purchase, besides the makeup bag, was this palette right here. It's the same colors. They sent me a free sample of the same colors. So now I just realized I have 9 of the same colors. So this is the package that it came in. Once again, MAC, I love this packaging. Like, look at this. Yo, this packaging, yes. Shine bright, little tinkle stars. I'm probably gonna use this for my lip glosses when I'm traveling because it's small, it's convenient, it's super cute. So as you guys can see, on the actual star, it says the word MAC all over it. So I thought that was super cute also. I love MAC's packaging of their product versus Victoria's Secret because they put the stars on the lip glosses. Like, look at this, super cute, right? These are matted liquid lip glosses. So these are not the same like the Victoria's Secret. A matted lip gloss, basically when you put it on, it's gonna start off like this, shining, and then like in 10 seconds, it's gonna dry up and it's gonna look like lipstick. This one is called With a Side of Stars. This is super cute. Pretty cute packaging. Like, look at the packaging, guys, with the MAC. Look at the packaging with the stars on it and the MAC. Super cute. The color, cute color. It gives me more like a fleshy pink. And then of course it has the stars on them. Baby. Marco. Oh wow, this is a cute color. It's called Texting. It's called Texting the Stars. So I guess I'm gonna wear this color when I'm texting these stars out here in these streets. Wait, no, I shouldn't have said that because my boyfriend right there. It's like, he bust through my video. What stars in these streets? Just joking. But this is super cute also. It's called Texting the Stars. So I'm probably gonna end up going out this weekend. And when I do, I'm gonna do a get ready with me video using all these products here so you guys can see how I beat my face to it because I'm super excited about that. Thank you guys once again for always supporting me, always showing me love. I'm still new to this YouTube thing, still trying to get a feel of it, but I really do appreciate you guys showing the love and the effort and subscribing and commenting. I really, really appreciate it, and it really, really helps me keep moving, keep pushing, and honestly, keep giving you guys content because I love to give you guys content. Because I love to give you guys videos and keep you guys up to date about everything that's going on. So thank you once again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not ready to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.